Hello Scratchers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Tejas and today I will be telling you how to make a multiplayer car racing game on Scratch. So let's begin. Firstly, go to my profile Tejas KS and in the shared project you will see my first project named Car Racing Game YouTube Tutorial Assets. Click on that. Now you can remix it or see inside and get all the assets in your backpack. I have already got them, so what will I do? I will go back and create. Now get all the assets in your project. There will be two players in our game. Now, let's start coding with our player 1. When flag is clicked, point in direction. I think it will be near 140. Mm, Keep it 142, minus 142. Yes. And get go to block. Go to x minus 47 and y 19. Now duplicate this and get it in player 2. The direction will be the same, but its position will be different. Go to x minus 32 and y 13. Now come in player 1 forever if key up arrow is pressed, then move 3 steps. Now duplicate these. If down arrow key is pressed, change move minus 2 steps. Now duplicate both of these. And instead of key up arrow, get right arrow. And instead of move, get turn 5 degrees to the right. Now we can delete this and duplicate this and get left arrow and turn left 5 degrees. Now let's check that. And it's working. Now we will get the same scripts in our player 2. But before getting them, as you can see on the grass also, the car is at the same speed. We don't want that. So, if else, in else get move 3 and get touching color. Using this pick tool, choose this color. Now duplicate this and get 1 steps. So it will be very slow. Now we can duplicate this. Over here we can get move 2 step, minus 2 steps. And over here we will get minus 0.75. The turning angle will be the same. Now we can get all these scripts in our player 2. and place them below all the scripts. The difference will be in this we will be using WASD controls. So WS A and D. Now let's check both of them. Firstly, let's check our player 1. I think that we should keep the turning angle a little less. 3 and 3. Now let's check it. Yes, now it's better. Now let's check our player 2. And both of them are working. Now, what we have to do is uh, go in racing track and go on costumes. Now you can select any of these tracks. I'll be using this, and as per that only I've got the position and go to blocks. Now anyone can do a little bit of cheating here, that they can directly go from there and come back here. So to prevent that, if touching color green, then we can do move 0 steps. 0. Let's check it with player 1 only right now. I believe we should keep it like the previous scripts only. 0.75. Okay, so what we can do here is we can select this, copy, we can delete this line, now go and paint a sprite, then paste it here and name it start oblique finish. So when flag is clicked, wait for, okay, let me try it. I will see what is the maximum time anyone can take, minimum time anyone can take for crossing this. That is approx 10 to 15 seconds. So let's keep it 14. Wait for 14 seconds. If touching player 1, then say, or instead of saying we can do broadcast, then make a new message and name it, let's name it player 1 1. Now duplicate this. If touching player 2, then broadcast a new message named player 2 1. Now, in a player 1 get, when I receive player 1 1, say I 1, I 1. It should be say for, not say. I 1 for 1 second. Get this in player 2 also. But when I receive player 2 1. Now we will make 2 more sprites. Keep the outline at 0 and fill at any color. I will choose green because the racing track is also green, so it will look a little good. Green. Using rectangle tool, cover the whole background. Then using text tool, in the middle write player 1 1. Now we will increase its size. Yes. Now name it P1 1. P1 means player 1. Now duplicate this and name this P21, player 21. The difference will be, instead of player 1, name it player 2. Now in both of these scripts, get, when flag is clicked, hide. When I receive player 1 1, show, and go to front layer. Then wait for 0. Wait for 0.3 or let's 0.5, then stop all. Now get all these scripts in player 2 1 also. Now in player 2, when I receive player 2 1, then this will come here. Now let's give it a quick check. So right now let me work with our player 1. Okay. Okay, so I think that 14 seconds okay, we haven't put forever in our start or finish. So and one more thing, in the starting get forever, wait 14 seconds. Note in the forever loop. And it says player 1 1. So Finally, we have made a multiplayer car racing game on Scratch. It was quite easy but interesting. So, like, share, and smash the subscribe button if you want more videos like these. And scratch on!